Don't keep mirrors facing your bed at night. Shocking random facts. The longest hiccup attack lasted for 68 years. You're more likely to get a computer virus from visiting religious sites than adult websites. Peanuts aren't technically nuts. They're legumes. If you lift a kangaroo's tail off the ground, it can't hop. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer because metal expands when it's hot. Did you know it's illegal to own just one guinea pig in Switzerland? They get lonely. And here's a strange one. If you yell for 8 years, 7 months, and 6 days, you'll produce enough sound energy to heat a cup of coffee. Follow to boost your fun fact knowledge.